Understanding clean bill of health. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're unpacking a phrase you might have come across but weren't entirely sure about its meaning or usage: clean bill of health. This expression is quite interesting, and knowing how to use it can add a nice touch to your English conversations. So, let's get started and explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, clean bill of health, refers to a report or confirmation that someone or something is in good health or condition. Originally from the medical world, it signifies that, after an examination, no illnesses or problems were found. However, its usage has expanded beyond health contexts, and it can also mean that something has been checked and found to have no problems or issues. It's a versatile expression that can be applied in various scenarios, emphasizing the absence of negative findings or concerns. Understanding the origin of this phrase adds depth to its meaning. The term, bill of health, dates back to the 17th century, used in maritime contexts. Ships arriving in port needed a bill of health to prove they were free from contagious diseases. A clean bill of health meant the ship was disease-free and could interact with the port without quarantine restrictions. This historical context highlights the phrase's emphasis on the absence of problems, a concept that easily translates to modern usage in health and beyond. Incorporating clean bill of health into your conversations can make your English sound more natural and fluent. Here are some examples to help you understand its usage. After an annual checkup, someone might say, "My doctor gave me a clean bill of health." In a business context, if a company passes a financial audit with no issues, you could say, "The audit gave the company a clean bill of health." Discussing a second-hand car after a thorough inspection, the mechanic gave this car a clean bill of health, so it's a good buy. These examples show the phrase's flexibility and how it can be used to convey the idea of being problem-free in various contexts. And there you have it, folks. We've explored the meaning, origin, and usage of the phrase, clean bill of health. Hopefully, this video has enriched your understanding and will help you use this expression confidently in your conversations. English is full of such fascinating phrases, and learning them not only improves your language skills but also deepens your appreciation for its nuances. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to practice using clean bill of health in your English conversations. Until next time, happy learning!